Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you step by step how to download and install Eclipse IDE on Windows 11 machine. Later we will also see how to create our first Java project in Eclipse IDE. Alright, so let us head over to the Chrome browser and in a new tab just type download Eclipse for Windows 11, hit enter, go ahead and click on the first link, that is Eclipse downloads. So this will head over to the official Eclipse downloads page. Just scroll down and here you can see the button download. So this will navigate to the one more download page. Next go ahead and click on this download button to download Eclipse for Windows 11 64-bit machine. So again the Eclipse comes with JRE. We no need to install the JRE or JDK separately. Okay. Next go ahead and click on this download button to download the Eclipse exe file. Next notice here, thank you for your download, and here the Eclipse exe file is downloading. So just wait a couple of seconds to complete the download. Now the exe file is successfully downloaded. So go ahead and click on this exe file. This will launch the Eclipse installer. And here it provides couple of options. Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web, Eclipse IDE for C++ developers, Eclipse IDE for PHP developers. So here we are going to use Eclipse IDE for Java developer. So let us go ahead and click on this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Next here we can choose the Java version. Well, either you can choose the existing JDK from your file system or you can let Eclipse to download the JRE for you. So here I am going to select the existing JDK 23 from my file system. So I have already installed the JDK 23 on my machine, so I am going to select that one. But you can let Eclipse to download the JRE for you. If you haven't installed Java JDK on your machine, then you can select JRE 23 or JRE 21, whatever the version that you want. So this will, Eclipse will download this version for you. You don't have to install the Java JDK separately. Okay. Next, this is the location where the Eclipse will install. You can also change the location as well. Alright. And here let us keep create start menu entry selected, and here also let us keep create desktop shortcut as selected. So this will basically create a shortcut at a start menu as well as desktop. Next go ahead and click on install button over here. So this will start installing the Eclipse. And as soon as you click on install, you can see you got the pop-up. So here go ahead and click on accept button. Next let us wait couple of minutes. It takes some time. Well, notice here installation completed successfully. Next go ahead and click on this launch button over here. And notice here as of now Eclipse IDE 2024. So this is the latest version of Eclipse. Next select a directory as a workspace. So this is basically a workspace for your projects. So whatever the projects you will create in Eclipse, those projects will be stored under this location. You can also change this location by using this browse button. You can keep your projects under desktop or C drive. Okay, so whatever the location you want, you can keep your projects. Alright. Next click on this, use this as a default and do not ask again button. Next go ahead and click on launch. Notice here Eclipse IDE is successfully launched. Just click maximize it, and here you can see the welcome page. So here you can see different links. So if you want to create a new Hello World application in Eclipse, you can just click on this link and you can read the steps. Alright, just close this welcome page. Next let us create our first project in Eclipse IDE. So go to the file, new, and then choose Java project, and here let us give project name as Java underscore Eclipse underscore project. Next we need to choose the Java version over here. So you can choose the Java that is provided by Eclipse, or you can choose the Java JDK that you have installed on your machine. So I have already installed the Java JDK 23 on my machine, so I am going to choose this one. Okay, and if you want to use the Java JDK that is provided by Eclipse, then you can go ahead and click on this option. Okay, so here I am going to use the existing Java JDK from my file system. Next, just scroll down, and here we are creating a simple Java project, so we are not going to create a module. So just remove this module, click on next, and then click on finish. Perfect. Now we have created our first Java project in Eclipse IDE. Next, let us create Hello World program. So go to the src folder, right click on it, new, and then choose class. Let us give class name as Hello World. Alright, next let us give the package name as net.javaguides. You can give any package name that you want. Next, here let us select the public static void main. Well, the Java program always starts with a main method, so let us select this main method over here, click on finish, and there we go, we got the Hello World class. Next, here go to the main method. The Java program starts from the main method, so within the main method just put the system.out.println statement and print hello world to the console. So here just type system.out.println and then pass string hello world. Perfect. Next, right click on this class, run as Java application, and here you can see the output hello world. It means that the Eclipse IDE that we have installed on our Windows 11 machine is working as expected. Okay, great. I will see you in the next video.